What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to apply links into your buttons using Elementor WordPress plugin. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. As you can see right here, we have 4 buttons and all the buttons have no links, okay? And I would like to apply this into this website. Now, all you have to do is access your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, you're gonna review the upper right corner of your screen, and on the browser address bar, enter with your domain name plus wp-admin. Enter with login credentials and you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one, okay? Yours may change a little bit, but the structure it's almost the same. You can create a new page to apply buttons. You can go to page, add new, edit with Elementor, or you can go to a previously made page, which is my case. As soon as you log in, you're going to be able to see this top toolbar on your WordPress dashboard. Right here, you can see the site name, customize, options, new, edit page, and the option to edit with Elementor. We're going to click on it to load the Elementor editor. I'm using the Elementor free WordPress plugin, okay? So no need to pay anything. Now let's find the buttons. Scroll down and here is the button. You can click on it or hover your mouse hover your mouse over the button and using the right click of your mouse, edit button. Review the left side of menus now. And you're going to be able to see the type of the button. That is the full, intro, the text on the button, and the link. Let me apply a link to Visualmodo on this button. I recommend that you always use all the link, okay, including the HTTPS. Now, there is a button. There is a link to my button to visualmodo.com. If you click into this little gear icon, you can open the editor option where you can make the button, enter the link in a new window, apply no follow, and apply some custom attribute to the button. And you can even apply icons and the ID to the button to make it easier to find, for example. Let's repeat the process on this one. Enter the link. Let's repeat the process on this one. Let me enter another link. And let me repeat the process on this one. Let me grab another link out of Visualmodo. Just like this. And we have links to all of my buttons, okay? Of course, you can customize the button, change the position, the color, the paddings. But by default, links, it's simple as it is. You can use some dynamic tags in the case that you are pro, in the case that you want, for example, to track your links, but easier, review the upper right corner of your screen now, hit the publish button to save your changes, and you are good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!